The mood behind this project is, I feel like it's one of the main words to explain the project, or in simpler terms would be duality, with dark being first and then light existing as parallel concepts within the project. Ingobe.
Bruh.
With track 5, the concept is, I don't want to dive too deep into this, but with the track 5, the the basic concept of the song is like, the first part is a hooligan, or a quote unquote gang member, you feel me, who's in the streets, who's willing to die um about their lifestyle, you feel me, to die for serving their toxic needs, basically, you feel me. And the second part is, the hook of the second part is like a big homie, um like an OG of the hood, so to speak, and they're kind of like looking at the little homie, understanding, empathizing with them, and advising them, basically, you feel me, keeping it G and not just dismissing their the situation they're in. And then the verse of the second part is like a broader scope of it. It's like a societal view of